Yo, me don't tell them precisely. You know the journey continue. I will never stop. Me there, you know one place. Come in, man. Sure. You know, say me there one place named Jamaica Ave. See it? And me I walk on Jamaica Ave because me think say me can't find the avenue there. I find somewhere in Jamaica, but my niece I tell me say no so. So luckily me find my niece. So see me and she tell me say my belly look like it I get big. So me I tell her say I chew it's sweat a thick. You get what me and say? Now she and everybody I wonder why me I walk up and down in a hot time in a sweater. But me I tell her say yo true Jamaica me I come from and the place hot so up you feel cold to me. So me tell them if you love me make me go and wear my clothes. So yeah me look at me, she grew up big. So big respect to all fans all over the globe, you get what I say? So one of my next friends from Jamaica that she gone. Oh, see her there? Bless up yourself, yeah. Alright. So we there in the street I walk, in a Queens I walk. You get what I say? New York settings, family, link up. Journey continue, I tell them say we never stop because I keep going and going like that energizer bunny. We go harder for what we want. And we not do nothing funny. Great way the gateway while the sunshine we make air. Look out. Check the book out. Don't Cry by Craig A. Kirkland. Another multi-talented Jamaican. Tell them precisely, me pick them big up on yourself. Much respect. All up Punish Town, Jamaica. You get what I say? Yeah man. So say blessings and respect. Them never stop me then, that mean them can't stop me now. No matter what them I try no way, we not go about. No matter what them I do, them just can't hold me down. Renaya, we emerge from another level, higher heights. Son of Bonar and I.
No, something flying there.
Oh, something flying I. Yeah, so we're there in the street, I say your big respect to all of the warriors, them who hold the peace. And no say positive vibration. No negative energy.
Right this side by in front of them pit me.
Eh?
The people that have the weed right this side by in front of them pit me.
Oh. So people them deal with the thing, you know? So we just look at me and see. So watching them, I drop a quick poem before. I'm gonna shut down the look a quick live here. A while ago my niece say some big grown adult buy weed in front of them youth. And you know which point I got drop for youth them for know. Because we have to show the youth them the right thing. So watching the people, I want my children to know me as one that is great. Education is essential, time mustn't waste. With the power of knowledge, there's no limit to what you can create. You'll encounter hurdles in life, even frightening earthquakes, but never stop. Aim higher and escalate. For now, yeah, I stumbled and fell on my journey. Yeah, I made mistakes. Still, I elevate and stay awake. Fueling my mind with positive energy while I vibe and meditate. I pay close attention to nature and sounds birds make. People business, man, I discuss it, I mix up, man, I partake. My heart aches, I can't take. Liars and pretenders are all fake. Hence why I separate myself from illusion. Confusion will never penetrate the core of my mind. I smile, I embrace greatness, fairness among all human race. Notice this face, man, a lip trace, I will never disgrace. My people for position where them power in this case. It's somewhat complicated when the world is in a sick state. Love, politics and religion are folks in a trick state. Miseducation, misinformation, misunderstandings, mistakes are the reason for your failure. So rise and surprise them with a bliss face. As I say, people, the journey continue. Look out and check the book out, Don't Cry by Craig A. Kirkland. Tell them precisely. Great way the gateway while the sunshine will make air. Big respect.